So some of you DJs, in most especially wedding events, it seems like you don't even know the kind of event you were invited to. How will I invite you to an event to come and to come and play in a wedding and you don't have the right songs for wedding? When they say couple want to dance their first dance, you don't even know the kind of songs you want to play. See, just like every other profession, if you want to be a wedding DJ, you should be able to understand that there are some kind of songs that makes the environment sweet. There are some love songs. You go back and look for songs like you know, you look for nice songs because it's a wedding. How can it be time for couple dance and first dance and you are playing Zazu, Okotwa? No. There are songs meant for first dance. There are quiet songs that you have to play. After the quiet song, even the next song that you are entering is supposed to just be very sweet and emotional. Come play Zazu for person wedding because they pay you to come play Zazu for first dance. Some of them on our head look correct.